Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zanjama. What a piece of backside that happened down at Jamaica. Jenny and Mackerel no catch up in a big hot water. Jenny call up an interview. Me see it on social media. Prostitute and all these things was what she called Ladisha. Jenny said she was a try help her by telling her the truth. But really, Jenny, as a Jamaica help the youths, look how much people you know as a big influencer. Calling the teen a prostitute was all you could have do for Ladisha. The little girl she take people man and all these things. She never made no video about her son. Her only go fast in her personal business. So only go fast. And on the find out say childhood must have been pretty rough for this young girl. And with such sensitive information, only share the victim's business with the whole damn blasted world? No! Not only supposed to be educated, professional and bright, but all I do, I use commercial psychology and exploit our human rights. Don't you know who for frightened? Puss and dog don't have the same luck. Cause for me, you did call for an interview, Jenny, me da hang you up. Me never said I agree with the little girl if you go take people, man. So me know on the social media police them come drape me up in the comments association. If you are going to empower somebody and have to insult them so strong, then your empowerment approach in my book get a big old dirty wrong bang. Then you have the nerve to ask the pitney girl if she believe in a God. What about you? You believe in him? For John 8 verse 7 tell you, Jenny, search yourself hard and give Ladisha one brute lick if you don't have no sin. Lady said it say, I got your man and you can do anything about it. I may never hear you call her and interview her about it. No, we don't have no more Lady Saw. We have Minister Marian. The same God will touch her can touch Ladisha. You don't know the master's plan. If all you can do with your power is bring down another woman, then Jenny, you are a part of the problem, not a part of the solution. And Jamaica, you have a dirty culture and it seems to be getting worse because you split justice between people based upon them social status. So if the person is a public figure or celebrity, for them side you take. And if you feel like the person is a weak fence, only God can help them case. Mackerel versus Jenny. Jenny get the rights. Mackerel versus homosexual and the hypocrite them change the verdict and the homosexual get a fight. Wanna say you tired? For see Mackerel on social media and on news. But all the tired, what una complaints on the tired, wanna still increase our views. The comments them what una drop beat any performance on stage. But if she never relevant, one so up under the little girl page. You never know what poverty are gonna force you to do. So stop from condemn people, cause you don't know what the future hold for you. Enough people upon them high horse and have to come down low. So start pray for one another if you know what me know. Death and life is in the power of your mouth. So instead of spitting judgment and condemnation, make a word of encouragement come out. We mark one another too hard and it's not a very good look. So if you don't know people's story, keep your rotted head in a fear book. If you want, you're free to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. It's Zanjama.